I want to say thank you to everybody who showed up to the live stream today. Man, it was a ton of fun. And look, tomorrow's live stream, May 26th, that's my birthday. So it's going to be a very fun live stream. And we're going to be giving away a lot of bro merchandise, t-shirts like this one, a lot of different things. So if you guys are interested, stop by to that tomorrow. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification, all that good stuff so you don't miss it. It should be around 3 p.m. Eastern time. But look, in this video, we're going to be talking about one of the questions I see most often surrounding AMC stock. Clay, why don't the hedge funds just cover their positions now? Why would they want to wait until they lose hundreds of billions, if not trillions of dollars? Can't they just cover it slowly right now and get out of these short positions? The short answer is absolutely yes. If they wanted to, they could cover all of their shorts right now and really not drive the price that much higher. So let's discuss this in this video because I don't think that that's what they're going to do. They keep digging themselves deeper and deeper, and eventually it's going to pay off for us. So of course, if this sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm ClayBro. I'm here to make 2021 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button yet, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we're growing our portfolios together. All right, now at the beginning of the video, I mentioned that we're going to be doing some giveaways tomorrow. Yes, show up to the live stream tomorrow if you want to win. But with this video, we're going to be doing a couple of giveaways, kind of preluding and going into that live stream. So get your comments ready. The top comment on this video is going to win a prize tomorrow. And also get ready to share this on Twitter. You can also win a prize by sharing this video on Twitter. Make sure to stay tuned until the end to figure out what you need to do in order to win it. All right, so why don't the hedge funds just cover their positions right now and cut themselves from losing $100 billion or $1 trillion and so on and so forth? And like I said, they can do that. But guys, these hedge funds, they shorted AMC on purpose. They continue to short AMC on purpose. Rule number one, they do not believe that AMC is going to go up long term. They are not going to be betting against themselves. And if they were betting against themselves, they would be covering their positions right now. They would say that, no, our analysis doesn't make sense. No, our price targets for AMC stock don't make sense. We're going to throw in the towel. And this will absolutely, barring some sort of a revelation by these hedge funds and by these managers out there, to look into themselves and say that, yeah, I guess we were wrong. Barring anything like that, we're not going to see the hedge funds slowly cover their positions. We're not going to see them admit a loss to the apes, people who call themselves monkeys, people who say they eat crayons. Like, they're not going to admit defeat to people who are triggering this short squeeze and investing in AMC stock because of the short squeeze. It's plain and simple. So yes, if the hedge funds decided that they've had enough, that they can no longer stand to lose on their positions in AMC stock, they could go out and cover. But it's not something that they're going to do. We know, and we don't know for 100% certainty, right? But we know that they most likely have the majority, if not all, of their short positions at the $20 level or below. This means that when we cross above that $20 line, all of the short positions should theoretically be in the negative. Now, yes, we know that hedge funds are hedging their position. They have called options. They've bought up a couple shares, and they're going to be hedging to the upside as well. But they are overwhelmingly leveraged to the downside. So don't begin to think that they can afford for the stock price to go up, because they cannot afford for the stock price to continue to go up, especially the way that it went up today. Is $20 going to be a magic number where we automatically trigger the short squeeze? Probably not. They can go ahead, they can liquidate some other assets that they have and really continue to apply the pressure. But every time they do that, every time they allow their egos to get in the way, every time they say that they're going to win this battle, as long as we don't give up, all we have to do is hold the stock, and we will continue to apply that upward pressure on them until they cannot afford it anymore, and until the intermediaries and the clearinghouses and everybody involved in the situation says, okay, it is time. You're not going to cut your loss. We're cutting your loss for you. It's time that you liquidate AMC. And when that takes place, that's what's called a margin call, and that's where we're going to see these prices that shoot up extremely fast. They're going to be extremely volatile, and there's going to be no limit on how high AMC stock can go. The only limit is how long you and I can hold out. How long can we hold out, and how much money can we charge the hedge funds? It's as simple as that. So hopefully if you were one of the people out there wondering, can the hedge funds cover their positions? Can they stop this squeeze from happening? Yes, they can. But will they is the question that you should be asking. Will they is the question that should be on your mind. And guys, I highly, highly doubt that they're going to allow their ego to calm down a little bit. I highly doubt that they're going to reanalyze the position and admit defeat to retail investors that they say have no idea what they're doing. Retail investors that they've looked down upon since I don't even know if they were ever retail investors themselves, but since they've always looked down upon. They don't have a very good opinion of you. They don't have a very good opinion of me. And I asked the question in the live stream chat today, how many of you are going to feel bad when we charge the hedge funds so much money that they can't continue to go on as a hedge fund? And the overwhelming response was that nobody's going to feel bad for them, and I agree with that. Guys, they dug themselves in this hole. If they want to get out of it now, if they want to cut their losses short, they can do that now. But watch, they won't do it. So allow them to continue digging that hole deeper and deeper and deeper. Will it take a while for the squeeze to happen? Maybe. But the longer it takes, the tighter that spring is becoming wound, and the more it's going to pop, and the higher AMC stock can go. I'm extremely excited about it. I hope that each and every one of you guys out there are excited about it as well, because every step closer, days like today, bring us that much closer to the squeeze, and it's going to be so beautiful that I joke about it in the live stream, saying that I'm going to be caught speechless when the squeeze actually does happen, and we're all just going to be sitting there in a blank live stream staring at each other like, what do we do? But that's the beauty of it. These numbers that we're going to see in our portfolios, if everybody plays according to plan, if everybody does what they say they're going to do, it's going to be monumental. And I'm excited to be a part of this. I hope that you're excited to be a part of it. If you're not a part of it yet, you absolutely are not too late. We may see some more intraday swings. We may see some more, tight pullbacks. But look, long term, guys, the $16, $17 price that we're trading in between right now, that's not squeeze range, all right? That's not squeeze range. Don't think that you're going to get burnt if we squeeze and you got in at $17 per share. That's not going to be the case. So, all right, you talked a little bit about a giveaway at the beginning of this stream, or at the beginning of this video. What do you have to do? Top comment on this video will win a prize tomorrow. Make sure to show up to the live stream. Absolutely, you have to be there. Top comment as determined by YouTube. So if you've got the most likes and comments on your comment, then you will be the winner. Get creative with it. You don't need to have anything specific in this comment. It can be whatever you want. If you want to beg for a win, whatever you guys want to do, make it happen in the comments below. And then we're also going to be doing a random winner. All you have to do is share this video and make sure to tag me on Twitter. You don't even have to follow me there if you don't want to. Make sure to tag me on Twitter at ClayBro883. If you don't want to write that down or whatever, there's a link in the description below. Just click it and tag me there. And you could also win just for doing that. It's that simple. And we're going to be giving away so many prizes tomorrow. You guys want to make sure that you tune in for the live stream. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If you are subscribed but you don't have the bell on, make sure to turn the bell on so you get the notification when we go live tomorrow. It's going to be a lot of fun. All right, it's going to be a lot of fun, and a lot of people are going to win some great prizes. So make sure to show up. And then tomorrow, hopefully if everything goes right and you guys would like a bro shirt or bro stickers or whatever out there, the link to the website should be working tomorrow, and you guys can go ahead and purchase those if you don't win something during the live stream. So just make sure to tune in, guys. What do we got? Anything else? Anything else? After hours prices are ridiculous. I saw that we broke $17. I'm super excited about that. It's going to be a good week. It is going to be, I mean, remember, we opened the week at like in the $12 range. Now we're trading at $17. It's going to be an amazing week. Will we squeeze on my birthday? I don't know. I sure hope so. But look, guys, thank you so much for tuning in, for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we're growing our portfolios together. Twitter, link in the description below for Weeble. All of that good stuff. Make sure to check it out. And, of course, until the next time, I hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.